But Dr. Clark, this testimony is helping us get into the mind of Carly Gregg. Let's bring back in attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, with what you've seen so far, should Carly Gregg take the stand at the end of her defense case?
I don't think she should take the stand. She won't gain anything. I mean, that Dr. Gregg was the doctor that's testifying right now absolutely did the best possible job in her defense. That she could never do a better job than him, right? He said she was suicidal. And that last piece that really swayed, he had already swayed me in her favor. And then when he said that her biological father also was treated for bipolar disorder, to me, you can't do better than that. Again, I'm not in that courtroom, but if I was, and I was looking at the jurors, they would probably all be doing this right now, just not listening to anything he's saying. That's just my jaded way of looking at this defense. But at the end of the day, I think he did a fantastic job. I do not think she should take the stand. She's still a kid. I mean, she has no prior record. If she takes the stand, we already know what happened. We know that she squeezed the trigger. She's on camera, right, plotting it. Maybe if she takes the stand and she cries, maybe she would humanize herself for the juries. They would be reminded that this is in fact a kid. I think I've just convinced myself that what I said was wrong. Maybe she should take the stand, because at the end of the day, what's the worst that could happen? She cries and she melts down and she's in a puddle of tears. I want these jurors to understand they're ruling on the guilt or innocence of a kid, and not even the innocence, regular guilt or guilt not guilty by reason of insanity. And she is a kid, and one of the victims, her stepfather, is in the courtroom testifying in her favor. So maybe perhaps she should, if I was her attorney and I like what I saw in my private meetings with her, I might want to put her on the stand.
You're exemplifying just how hard of a decision this is for this defense. Michael Jaafar, thank you.